Dear students, today we are going to discuss Mendel's law of inheritance. Before discussing Mendel's law of inheritance, let us first see what were conclusions from Mendel's experiment. The genetic makeup of the plant is known as genotype. On the other hand, the physical appearance of a plant is known as phenotype. As I mentioned, genetic makeup, or we can say gene constitution of a plant, that is known as genotype, and physical appearance of a plant, that is known as phenotype. The genes are transferred from parents to offsprings in pairs known as alleles. Genes, which are known as units of heredity, that they are transferred from parents to offsprings in form of pairs, and those pairs are known as alleles. During gametogenesis, when the chromosomes are halved, there is 50% chance of one of the two alleles to fuse with the other parent. Gametogenesis, what is gametogenesis? The process in which cells undergo meiosis division, in which gametes are formed, and during gametogenesis, chromosomes are halved and there is 50% of chance that one of the two alleles that will fuse with the other parent. When the alleles are same, they are known as homozygotes. If there will be same alleles, they are known as homozygotes, and if there will be different alleles, they are known as heterozygotes. Now, Mendel's law. Inheritance is the transmission of genetically controlled characteristics or traits from one generation to next. Inheritance means transmission of genetically controlled traits from one generation to next. We will now describe how Mendel studied the inheritance of characters or traits in various generations of pea plant cultivated by him. Yesterday we discussed monohybrid inheritance and dihybrid inheritance. And from this, Mendel formulated laws of inheritance. First is law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. Law of dominance. Now, what is law of dominance? It is Mendel's first law of inheritance, and according to this law, hybrid offsprings will only inherit a dominant trait in the phenotype. This means when we will observe phenotypic ratio of a plant, only dominant trait shows its presence, or dominant trait suppresses the recessive trait. As we mentioned in yesterday's topic, when he crossbred green podded plant with yellow podded plant, all the plants produced were green. This means the green pod gene that suppresses the yellow pod gene. That is what is known as law of dominance. Or you can remember, there are two types of alleles. There are two types of genes. One is dominant gene and another is recessive gene. Dominant gene that suppresses the recessive gene. Now let us proceed towards law of segregation. When we studied monohybrid cross, in monohybrid cross, Mendel selected only one single characteristic, or we can say trait. The result of monohybrid cross enabled it to formulate his first law of inheritance, which is known as law of segregation. According to Mendel's law of segregation, or we can say inheritance, the characteristics or traits of an organism are determined by internal factors, or we can say internal genes, which occur in pairs. Only one pair of such factor can be present in single gamete. As we see in monohybrid cross, if we can give an example, when Mendel first bred tall plants with pure dwarf plants, then only tall plants were produced in first generation. And when he crossbred tall plants of the first generation, he found that both tall and dwarf plants were obtained in second generation. Or we can say in F2 generation, 3/4 plants were tall and 1/4 were dwarf. This means in monohybrid cross, the ratio was 3:1. This means 3 tall plants and 1 dwarf plant. This is what is law of segregation. Law of segregation states that during the production of gametes, two copies of each hereditary gene segregate. They separate so that offspring acquires only one gene from each parent. This is known as Mendel's law of inheritance, first law of inheritance, or we can say law of segregation. Second, let us proceed towards law of independent assortment. The result of dihybrid cross. What is dihybrid cross? As we mentioned yesterday, dihybrid cross is when Mendel considered two characteristics of a pea plant, like yellow round seeds and green wrinkled seeds. When he interbred yellow round seeds with green wrinkled seeds, what did he found? He found that ratio was 9:3:3:1. 9 pure yellow round, 3 wrinkled yellow, 3 round wrinkled green, and 1 green wrinkled green seeds. As what does Mendel law of independent assortment states? It states that pair of trait segregates independently from another pair during gamete formation. Pair of characteristics, they separates independently from another pair when gametes are formed, as the individual hereditary factors, or we can say genes, they assort input and different traits get equal opportunity to occur together. That's what is law of independent assortment. Now, what are key points on Mendel's law? The law of inheritance was proposed by George Mendel, Gregor Mendel, after conducting experiments on pea plants. When he conducted experiment on pea plants for 7 years, he formulated law of inheritance. Second, Mendel's law of inheritance includes the law of dominance, law of segregation, and law of independent assortment. The law of segregation states that every individual possesses two alleles and only one allele is passed to offspring, and law of independent assortment states inheritance of one pair of genes is independent of inheritance of another pair of genes. That was all about Mendel's experiments. Thank you.